You are welcome to Special Characters in Microsoft Word, and this is the lesson 4 of this sectioned videos. I already have lesson 1, 2 and 3 already posted on this channel. You can jump into the home page of this channel and get access to that particular videos. I'll also definitely link them in the description below of this current video and check it out. Today's video I am going to provide you with 15 special characters, and I'll also urge you to stick to the end of this video because I'm going to provide you some bonuses, some 4 special characters you can also use in your document creation. So let's get into the interface of this Microsoft Word application and start inserting our special characters. The first on my list is how to get a globe image or a globe character. So we are going to use this Unicode. Then you hold the Alt key and the letter X. This brings out this particular image. The next one is we have the pencil icon. We have the mute audio icon. We also have this map, and all these special characters can be customized or personalized. That is to change the color of it. You can select, move to the home tab in the font group, and you can change it to any color of your choice, or you can click on this drop down arrow and choose any of these colors and use it in your Word document. But I am going to maintain it as the black color. And when you want to use this in your document creation, you know the kind of font color you want to give to this special characters. So the next on my list is I have this prey image. Let's move to the next one. I have this hand pencil. I have this winning cap. So presently I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 special characters inserted, and as I said I'll be providing you with 15 characters, and also we have an additional 4 characters which will be a bonus for you in this particular video. So let's continue to insert the other 5 characters. So presently I've inserted the 5 additional characters. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12 and 15. So these are the main 15 characters I want to share with you in this particular video. And let's move to our promises, or the promise I made in the beginning of this video, that we have additional 4 characters which is going to be of a bonus. So the first bonus trick is on your keyboard. We have the numeric keypads or the number row keys, which is located at the right end of your keyboard. I'm not talking about the number rows above the QWERTY row keys or below the functional keys. Rather, I'm talking to the one that has the activation of the numlock key. So when you get to that section of that numeric key, you just hold the Alt key and use the number 1 of that particular numeric keypad. You're going to get this special symbol, very beautiful. You can also use the Alt key and the number 3 on the keyboard. This brings you the heart symbol. You can also use 1F321 Alt X. This brings you this particular icon, and the last icon is we have this particular symbol. So these are the 4 additional bonuses I want to share with you. Now we've learned how to insert these special characters. So jump into the description. If you've not watched the other lessons of this particular videos, that is lesson 1, 2 and 3, jump into the description of this current video and get access to those videos and learn how to insert special characters in Microsoft Word.